Hey creators, welcome to Pixinshop channel. Today we are delving into Adobe Premiere Pro to create an epic hologram effect. Whether you are a pro or just starting out, stick around for a mind-blowing tutorial. So we are back in the interface of Adobe Premiere Pro. Firstly, import the video with the screen recording on which you want a hologram effect. Now go to Effects and search for Basic 3D. And if you don't find the Effects panel, just go to Windows, you can activate from here. Now go to Effects and type Basic 3D. Now just drag and drop that effect on your screen recording. Now go to Effects Control and place the screen above the person's phone and align it according to your liking. Now go to Basic 3D, now change the swivel value to -35 and hit enter on your keyboard. Now go to opacity and change the blending mode to screen, and here you have it. Now if you play the video, you can see our hologram effect has been applied. And if you want, you can also add the zoom in animation. Like, subscribe, and let's keep the creative vibe flowing. And if you want to learn text animation and motion graphics, the link is here, you can check it out. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. Then keep creating and make your amazing effects.